Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to delete multiple reels you've shared on Instagram on your PC with the new update. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, at the bottom left corner, click on the More icon or the three dots. This will open a menu with various options. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a new page where you can see all your activity on Instagram. From the Photos and Videos section, navigate to the Reels section. Here, you will be able to see all the reels you have shared on your account. Now click on Select to choose the reels you want to delete. You can select multiple reels at once by clicking on each one. After you have selected the reels you want to delete, click on the Delete button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm this action. Finally, confirm the deletion by clicking on Confirm in the pop-up window. Your selected reels will be permanently deleted from your account. And there you have it. That's how you can delete multiple reels you've shared on Instagram on your PC with the new update. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.